My ambition is to become a seaman.
Ang gusto mong trabaho paglaki? Bombero. Gusto ko pong doktor. Mahal na po ang bigas ngayon. At yung iba pong mga tao wala na pong hanap buhay yung mga tatay nila. At yung iba naman po hindi nag-aaral yung mga anak nila. Pagdami po ng mga
Kung dati 3 times a day kumain, ngayon 2 times na lang.
Saan po walang baon? Tapos minsan walang kinakain. Wala pong trabaho.
Minsan pa kayo maliit ko. Minsan wala pa nga rin ginagatas yan. Tubig asukal lang minsan na ginagatas niyan.
Most of the families here are really poor. The father had no fixed work. They have no definite income to sustain the needs of the family. And most of their siblings range from 6 to 7. For them to be able to reach the school, they walk for an hour. Most of the pupils are less fortunate. They have no baon. Most of them eat their lunch with a pinch of salt and just a rice.
Hindi po kasi ako mahal ng mga magulang ko. Si Lola lang nagmamahal sa akin.
Magiging iba ang buhay namin sa ngayon dahil nga lagi ko sinasabi sa kanila para hindi mabago ang buhay natin, kinakailangan sikapin yung makapagtapos kayo ng pag-aaral dahil ang pag-aaral ay isang malaking tulong dahil kung hindi kayo makakapagtapos, magiging katulad ko rin kayo na mamamasukan tapos yung gusto lang anak nyo, hindi nyo kayang.
I believe that first and foremost, every family should have at least one child, or if you can afford all your children to be sent to school, but if really cannot, then because I came from a poor family, and during those times, my only hope is to finish my school. It's the foundation. That's why I really value education.
That's why the basic needs, they cannot sustain the basic needs of the family, especially the education. That's why most of our students are deprived in education. But we really motivated the parents to send their pupils in school because that's really important.
I am a scholar in our university. I always study very hard because in our university, if you want to be a scholar, you have to maintain a grade, and for me it's too difficult because nursing course is too hard, and our family income is not enough for us to pay the tuition fee. I wanted to encourage others to study very hard. Because for me, education is a treasure. My life before was parang colorless, yung parang black and white. But when they introduced me to FHI, they molded me, they molded my spiritual aspect. And then I became active in our church because when I was a kid, I was too shy and I'm a loner and I don't know how to interact with other people. Actually, most of my life, I owe them very much. Not only in financial, but also in spiritual.
I finished elementary and high school from the help of Child Development Program of FHI, Food for the Hungry. From there, they provide tuition fees, and then money for the uniform, and then every Christmas, the food basket. From grade 3 to college, they supported me. We had camping, and then Bible studies. They helped me to know God, and then they helped me to know that He loved me so much. When I was in grade 6, my father died, so it's really hard for me to accept the fact that only my mom will provide tuition fee for 5 of us, for my younger brothers and for my brothers and sisters. So from there, I had to accept the fact that only my mom will work, and I have to work hard so that I can help my mom. During college is really challenging and yet so hard for me because many expenses. So there, but I finished college with the help of FHI, Food for the Hungry. Tulad ko, nung bata ako, hindi ko ina-expect na may magsusupport sa akin. But then, merong isang soul na nagtiwala na yung help niya is yung money niya or suporta niya kayang makatulong para mabago ang isang buhay ng isang batang ito. So, I encourage you na magsuporta and to have faith and trust dun sa ibang bata na nangangarap din na makatulong at makatapos ng pag-aaral.
For the sponsors and volunteers, thank you. And most of the FHA child became successful because of them. Just continue support others because kasi in return, diba sabi nga nila, share your blessings.
It's like your investment. It's your money put in a very good investment. If you see children having a good life, having a good education with your help, that's something.
Para makatigil ng apoy. Para pag nagkasakit sa sakit ko. Para po makatulong ako sa magulang ko paglaki ko, magtatrabaho ako para yung pera ibibigay ko sa mga magulang ko.
First of all, I wanted to finish my study. It is my first priority. It is because of my family and others.
Gusto kong matulungan mga magulang ko. Gusto kong mahawin ng pamilya ko sa kahirapan.
Napapayat naman ako.
Nga po. Tsaka po, para sa akin, habang may buhay, may pag-asa.